In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add constant contact to row coding website. This tutorial is for a website where you are working directly with the HTML code rather than using a website builder or a content management system. The main idea is simple. You will create an inline sign-up form inside Constant Contact. Copy the code that Constant Contact gives you, and then place that code into the part of your HTML file where you want the form to appear. Take your time as you follow along because the most important part is placing the code in the correct section of your page. To begin, open Constant Contact and log into your account. If your browser offers to fill in saved login details, make sure you are using the correct account before continuing. Once you are inside the dashboard, look through the main navigation for the area called Sign Up Forms. This is where Constant Contact keeps the tools for creating forms that collect visitor information, such as email signups. Click on Sign Up Forms and then choose Create Form. After you click Create Form, Constant Contact will show you different form options. Each option is designed for a different type of display. Since you are adding the form directly into a raw HTML page, you want the form that can sit inside the content of the page itself. Look for the Inline Form option and select it. An inline form is useful because it appears exactly where you place the code in your website file instead of popping up over the page or appearing in a separate window. Once the inline form option is selected, continue by clicking Publish. Publishing the form is important because Constant Contact needs to generate the embed code for the version of the form that is ready to be placed on your website. This does not automatically add the form to your site. It simply prepares the form and gives you the code snippet that you will use in your HTML file. Now you should see the inline code snippet. This is the piece of code that connects your website to the Constant Contact form. Carefully copy the full inline code snippet. Make sure you select the entire code block from beginning to end. If even a small part of the code is missed, the form may not display correctly on your website. It is a good idea to copy it directly using the copy option provided by Constant Contact if one is available, because that helps avoid missing characters. Next, open the HTML file for the page where you want the sign-up form to appear. This might be your home page, a contact page, a landing page, or any other page where visitors should be able to subscribe. Find the exact section of the HTML where the form should show on the page. For example, if you want the form below a paragraph of text, place the code after that paragraph. If you want it inside a specific content area, place it inside that section of the HTML. Once you have found the correct location, paste the inline code into that exact spot. Be careful not to paste it inside the wrong tag or in the middle of another piece of code. The form code should sit cleanly within the HTML structure. Keeping the placement organized makes it easier to update later and helps prevent layout issues on the page. After the code is in place, save the HTML file. Then upload the updated file to your server, replacing the older version of the page if needed. Once the upload is complete, the page will contain the Constant Contact inline form in the section where you pasted the code. That covers everything you need to know.